Hi all, in this video we can see a topic missing orders in grating spectrum. In the last video we have seen the theory of diffraction due to n slits. In that we have explained the resultant intensity expression as I is equal to I0 sin square alpha by alpha square sin square n gamma by sin square gamma. In diffraction grating, the resultant pattern will be the combination of the diffraction due to single slit. That effect gives the I0 sin square alpha by alpha square and interference of n diffracted waves from n slits. That leads to the term sin square n gamma by sin square gamma, and we derived the expression for principal maximum and minimum. Suppose if in any direction this sin square n gamma by sin square gamma is maximum, and in the same direction if sin square alpha by alpha square is 0, what happens? In that case, principal maximum will not be present because this term leads to maximum value, but the sin square alpha by alpha square goes to 0, then the principal maximum will not be present in that. We can write the condition for this n diffracted waves maximum and a single slit diffraction minimum, and from that we can find out which orders will be missing in that grating spectrum. First we can write the condition of maximum from n slits, that is grating equation. What is grating equation? D sin theta is equal to m lambda, that is a plus b sin theta is equal to m lambda. It is the condition for maximum from n slits. Then in the same direction, if the single slit diffraction effect is 0, that is condition for minimum in single slit. The condition for minimum in single slit is a sin theta is equal to m lambda. Here we can use another integer n. If both these equations, that is the condition for maximum in n slits and condition for minimum in single slit, are simultaneously satisfied at a point, then the principal maximum of order m will be absent in the grating spectrum. So we can write it as equation number 1, this equation number 2. Then what will be equation number 1 divided by 2? That is a plus b divided by a is equal to m divided by n. So if both of these equations are simultaneously satisfied, the principal maximum of order m will be absent. So missing order m is equal to a plus b by a into n, where a is the width of the slit, b is the width of the opaque portion, m is the missing order, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. We can do one example. In the grating, if slit width and rolling width are equal, what will be the missing orders? So slit width is A and opaque width is B. So if they are equal, the missing orders m will be A plus B, that is A plus A by A into n, that is 2A by A, that is 2n. So where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So what will be m value? M is equal to 2, 4, 6, etc. So which orders will be absent? Second order, fourth order, sixth order, etc. order will be absent. See this question. Deduce the missing orders for double slit Fraunhofer diffraction pattern if the slit widths are 0.16 mm and they are 0.18 mm apart. In this question, we have to find out the missing orders if the slit width is A, that is equal to 0.16 mm and they are 0.18 mm apart. That means the width of the opaque portion, width of ruling is 0.18 mm. That B is equal to 0.18 mm. Then the missing orders m is equal to a plus b by a into n. On substituting the data, a is 0.16 plus b is 0.18 divided by a 0.16 into n. On calculating, it is 6 n. So the missing orders m is equal to 6n. So where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So m is equal to 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 3, 18, etc. So which orders will be absent? 6th, 12th, 18th, etc. orders will be absent for the given data. Next question. A plane transmission grating has 5000 lines per centimeter. If the opaque spaces between the slit are exactly double the transparent space, find which order of spectra will be absent. Given wavelength of light as 6000 Armstrong. A plane transmission grating has 5000 lines per centimeter. So n is equal to 5000 lines per centimeter. If the opaque spaces between the slit are exactly double the transparent space corresponding to the slit width we can consider as A, then the opaque space width is B. So it is given that this opaque space width is double that of slit width A. So find which order spectra will be absent. So we want to find out the missing order. So we can use the expression for the missing order, that is m is equal to A plus B by A into n, that is A plus B is 2A by A into n, that is 3A by A, that is 3n. n is 1, 2, 3, etc. So missing order m is equal to 3, 6, 9, etc. So 3rd, 6th, 9th orders will be absent in the spectrum. Here wavelength of light is given as 6000 Armstrong. From the wavelength given and the number of lines per centimeter, we can find out the maximum order possible in this case. From the grating equation d sin theta is equal to m lambda, the maximum order possible is d by lambda. So d is the reciprocal of number of lines per centimeter, that is 1 by n lambda will give you the maximum order. So 1 divided by n is 5000 lines per centimeter into lambda is 6000 Armstrong, that is 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So on calculating we will get it as 3.33, that is approximately 3. So the maximum order possible is 3 and the missing orders are 3, 6, 9, etc. So which order will be absent there? The 3rd order will be absent there, because 1, 2, 3 orders are possible for the given plane transmission grating. In that the 3rd order will be absent. So the absent order is equal to 3. Try more questions.